welcome back. Sorry that it's been a little bit since I posted. A lot has changed and that'll be coming soon. So today we are finally working on this bad boy. I talked about it in my last video and how I wanted to change this out, and my aunt actually gave me this twine. I'm going to be using the pink twine out of it. Originally I was actually going to be taking all of this wicker weaving off here, but I actually thought it would be more interesting because there's only a couple locations where the wicker is actually broken, to just replace that. So it'll still be mostly wicker, and then there'll be like pops of this color, which I think will make it a little bit more interesting. And then pretty much the only tool I'm using to get like the wicker caning out of the hole is this drill with like this bit on the end. The dog keeps taking the twine. I think I only actually really need one of these, but I figured there was two, so if I need it, that'll be fine. Got some twine in my mouth. Let's get into the video. So this is what the piece kind of looks like up close. As I said, I'm going to be taking this out. As you see here, it kind of has already broken in some areas, and it might be hard to see, but I've already like knocked out those. So pretty much what I'm doing is pretty simple. So I'm just putting that into the hole and drilling until the caney pops out on the other side. It's starting to come out. So I'll kind of show you what this is looking. So as you can see, like that one I've already drilled through. Sorry, it's a little blurry. And this one I'm almost done. And you can see it's a little bit. And so this is what it pretty much looks like, the piece I'm left with. So pretty much I'll be doing that now also on the other side, and then be running that twine through it. So I could have also taken this table apart, but this fits under here pretty well, and I didn't really feel like doing that. I could also be doing it from the other side, but I found that once I pull the cane, like it kind of sits better because the hole is kind of already made here, whereas here it's a lot smoother, so it would be harder. So all of those are out. I did resort to hammering it just because it was actually quicker. Don't know why I thought drilling it would be better. I kind of improvise as I go along sometimes with these, but so pretty much this is what it's now. So as you can see, so it'll be like all pink here, pink there, pink along here. So now my next, some pink there, is to figure out how to put the twine through, because the twine is thinner, I believe, than the wicker. So that is what I'll be working on next. So I'm done. So this is what it looks like. I really like how that turned out. So what I pretty much did on the underside is I just kept the thread of the twine going just because I thought it was easier than making tons of knots, and I also felt like I could get it tighter. We'll see how that holds up, but I really like how that turned out. It's like a subtle pop of color, which is what I was going for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!